Now, in addition to the COUNTIFs function, there's also an AVERAGEIFS and a SUMIFS. And so what I'd like to do in this example is click on the cell N25. And in N25, I'd like to work out what the average salary in column H is, but only for those people who are female and in management. So I'll start with equals AV, and I'll double click the AVERAGEIFS function. The first thing I want to know is where's the range that you want to average. Well, I'd like to average column H, so I click on the H at the top. Then I'll press comma. Now it wants to know where my first criteria range is. Well, my first criteria range is column C, comma, and in column C I'd like to find the females, so I click on K25. But I don't just want the average salary of females, I need the average salary of females in management. So I go comma. The second criteria range would be column F, comma, and I want to find those in management, that is those that contain a Y. So I click on M25. When I press enter, this will average column H, the salaries, but only for females in management. And I can fill that down. And that's the average salary of a female in management, a female in non-management, a male in management, and a male in non-management. But what if I want to know the total cost of salaries for females in management? Well, that would be the SUMIFS. In the cell N31, I'll go equals SU. I'll double click SUMIFS. First thing I want to know is where's the range you want to sum. Well, I want to sum the salaries, so that would be column H. I'll then press comma and give it my first criteria range. My first criteria range is column C, comma, and I want to find those that have an F, so I click on K31. I'll then go comma and I'll click on column F, comma, and click on M31. So I'm summing the salaries in column H where column C matches K31, which is an F, and where column F matches M31, which is a Y. And the total cost of salaries for females in management is shown, and I can fill that formula down.